Creating my own patterns is one of the best things that I have learned. I like to use the seamless pattern on phone cases, blankets or pillows because they look amazing on these products. While there are many software you can create repeating patterns, I like to use Photoshop or Canva for such tasks. And in today's video, I want to show you how easy it is to create beautiful looking seamless patterns in Canva. I will teach you the basics, how to take a few elements and put them together to make a repeating pattern. I love creating designs in Canva. It's easy to use and there are tons of images and templates that I may use for free even for print-on-demand projects. In the description of this video is a link which will take you to this platform. And to be honest, it is an affiliate link and I get a small commission, but only when someone who used the link will subscribe for the Canva Pro version. But according to me, the free version of Canva is enough for most people. You can use the free version to create amazing designs. I actually have the upgraded Canva Pro version that has more features and allows me to use more elements and graphics than the free version. But you can definitely create seamless patterns in Canva for free. Let's go to Canva and click on the Create a Design button. Now we need to create a custom size template. For a seamless pattern, I'm usually using 2500 by 2500 pixels or 5000 by 5000 pixels. With the 5 by 5 size, the elements are bigger and looks great on phone cases and pillows, but then you need to use a pattern feature on Redbubble to cover bigger products. But for this case, let's go for 5000 by 5000 pixels. For this tutorial, I want to create a pattern with fishes. Let's go to the elements and find some interesting graphics. Let's search for sharks. Because I have the Pro version, then I can use all the graphics from Canva. But for this tutorial, I will use only free images. I think this shark looks great. To create a seamless element, you need to put the image at the border till you see a purple guideline that tells me that this element is correctly placed. Then press the left Alt on your keyboard and move the copy of the image on the opposite side until you see another purple line. Now I need to check if the image is ready for repeating. Just highlight one image and then press the left shift on your keyboard and click on the second image. Both images need to be inside the rectangle. Yes, this is a correct placement. Let's add another element. I'm done. It's time to download the pattern. Use the PNG format because it offers the best quality and download the pattern. Now it is time to upload it to Redbubble and see how it looks. I want to see if I make it without any mistakes. And this is important because on some products I will use the pattern feature and duplicate the image. Let's scroll down and check this product. Make the image a bit smaller and then click on the regular grid. Don't use the offset because this will make a mess. With the regular grid, I can see that the elements are connected to each other, which means it is a seamless pattern. At this point, I go over all the products and enable only products where the pattern makes sense. Just make sure it looks good, don't make the image too big or too small. Just think to yourself, do I like it? Would I buy it? I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and if you are new on this channel, then subscribe, because here I like to talk all about print on demand and showing you some tricks and tips.